In today's video, I am going to teach you how to sign in account on Google Chrome. Vertical bar, sign in account laptop, Google Chrome. First, open Google Chrome on your laptop. Now that Chrome is open, look toward the top right corner of the browser window. This is where Chrome keeps several important controls, including your browser profile area. You may see a small profile icon there. The icon can look different depending on your current setup. It might appear as a gray silhouette, a generic colored circle with a letter, or a personal Google account picture if someone has already used Chrome with an account before. After clicking the profile icon, a small menu should open. This menu may show information about the current Chrome profile. If you are not signed in yet, you should see an option that says Turn on Sync, Sign into Chrome, or something very similar. Now click the Turn on Sync button or click the Sign into Chrome button if that is the option you see. Once you select it, Chrome will take you to a Google sign-in screen. On the sign-in page, you will see a field asking for your Google account email or phone number. Click inside that field, then type the email address or phone number connected to your Google account. Once the email address or phone number has been entered correctly, look for the Next button. It is usually located below or near the sign-in field. Click Next to continue. That covers everything you need to know.